Welcome back to Simple English Daily. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're taking you into a situation that almost everyone experiences: shopping for clothes.
And we're not just teaching phrases. We're teaching real-life English you will use the moment you walk into a store.
So let's start our shopping trip together.
As soon as we walk into a clothing store, the shop assistant smiles and says, "Hi, let me know if you need anything."
This is the most common greeting in clothing stores. A simple and natural answer is, "Thank you, we're just looking."
You'll hear this phrase a lot. Just looking. It means, we're fine for now, but we'll ask you if we need help.
Okay, now we're walking around the store. You see something you like, so you say, "Oh, this is nice," or "I really like this style."
Style words are used constantly when shopping. Here are a few common ones. Casual, meaning relaxed, everyday clothing. Formal, meaning elegant or businesslike. Sporty, meaning comfortable and athletic. Simple, meaning clean and minimal.
If something looks modern and fashionable, you might say, "This looks trendy," or "This is really stylish."
Now, I pick up a jacket that I really like, but it's too small, so I ask the assistant, "Do you have this in a larger size?"
Here are some useful size questions. Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in a size 10? Do you have this in extra large?
And here are important words to describe how clothing feels. Tight, meaning it doesn't have enough room. Loose, meaning it has too much room. Fitted, meaning it follows the shape of your body. Baggy, meaning very loose or oversized.
These 4 words make your English sound very natural.
Now I want to try the jacket on, so I ask, "Where are the fitting rooms?" Or, "Can I try this on?"
Inside the fitting room, you might say, "It feels comfortable. It's too tight around the shoulders. It's a bit loose at the waist. It fits really well. It's perfect."
If you don't like how it looks, a natural sentence is, "I don't think it suits me."
Okay, Emma, you want the same jacket, but in a different color. You might ask, "Do you have this in other colors?"
If you want something similar but not the same, you can say, "Do you have something like this?" Or, "Is there a different style in this color?"
Common color phrases. Do you have this in blue? Is there a black version? Do you have a lighter color? Do you have a darker one?
Now, time for the important part, the price. You can ask, "How much is this?" Or, "Could you tell me the price of this?"
For discounts, is this on sale? Do you have any promotions today? Is there a student discount?
And if something is expensive for you, a natural sentence is, "That's a bit out of my budget." Or, "That's more than I wanted to spend."
Now, let's imagine I like the jacket, but I'm not sure. I might say, "I need a minute to think about it."
Or, "I'm going to look around a bit more." Or, "I'll come back for it later."
But if you do want to buy it, the quickest and most natural phrase is, "I'll take it."
At the register, the cashier might ask, "Is that everything for today?" Or, "Would you like a bag?"
Then, how would you like to pay?
Your answers: by card, by cash, contactless please, Apple Pay.
Okay, Emma, let's practice a real conversation, just you and me. Imagine we're both inside a clothing store. I found a jacket I like, but I'm not sure about the size.
All right, I'll play the role of the helpful friend. So I look at the jacket and say, "I think this one might be too small for you. Do you want to try a medium?"
Good point. And I answer, "Yeah, I think a medium would fit better. Can you check the tag?"
Sure. I pick it up and say, "It says small. Let's look for a medium on the rack." "Oh, here it is. Try this one."
Great. Now imagine I'm in the fitting room. I try it on and say from behind the door, "It's a bit tight around the shoulders, but it fits well everywhere else."
Then I respond, "Do you want to try a larger size? Or maybe this style just isn't the best for you."
Good advice. Now I step out of the fitting room and say, "Actually, I like the style, but do they have this in a different color?"
I look around the rack and say, "I see it in black and navy blue. Which one do you want to try?"
I think for a moment and say, "Let's go with the navy blue. That color usually looks good on me."
Perfect. And I add, "I'll grab it for you so you can try it on. Let's see if this one fits better."
That's a really natural shopping conversation between two friends. No pressure, no stress, just simple, real-life English practice.
Now it's your turn to practice. I'll say each phrase slowly, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. Do you have this in a larger size? Where are the fitting rooms? Can I try this on? It fits me well. I'll take it.
Excellent. The more you repeat these phrases, the more natural they will feel. Your brain learns best through simple repetition, little by little, every day.
Shopping may look simple, but it's one of the best real-life opportunities to practice English. You can listen, speak, react, and use language in a natural way, without stress, without pressure. Every small interaction helps you grow.
And remember, confidence doesn't appear all at once. It's something you build through small, everyday moments, like asking for a size, trying something on, or talking to a shop assistant. These tiny steps make a big difference over time.
So the next time you go shopping, try using just one phrase from today's episode. You'll be surprised how much it helps and how good it feels.
Keep practicing, keep showing up, and trust the process. Your English will improve faster than you think.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We loved having you here.
And we can't wait to see you in the next episode of Simple English Daily. See you soon.
Bye!